In a recent conversation with ChatGPT, I asked the following question. To get the best responses from AI, what are things you should or should never divulge to your AI assistant? And the following video is based on ChatGPT's response to that question. AI assistants are like digital genies. They can do incredible things if you ask the right way. But unlike genies, they don't come with a manual that says, here's what you should and shouldn't say. So let's break it down. If you want the best responses from your AI buddy, like ChatGPT, here's the cheat sheet you've been waiting for. What you should share. Number 1, context is king or queen. Want top-notch answers? Spill the details. Whether it's writing help, planning a trip, or tech troubleshooting. The more I know, the better I can tailor the response. Example, I'm planning a family-friendly vacation to Florida. Can you recommend places that won't break the bank? Number 2, your goals. Let me know what you're aiming for. Are you writing a blog for beginners or tech pros? Need a formal email or something casual? This helps craft the tone and depth of the reply. Example, I need a witty but informative blog post about smart home tech. Number 3, preferences and style. Got a particular writing style? Prefer humor over serious? Let me know. Consistency makes your content and life better. Example, I like lighthearted, easy-to-follow guides with a dash of humor. Number 4, past interactions. If relevant, working on a long-term project or series, remind me of the previous chats so we stay on track. Example, we talked about a do-it-yourself home security guide last week. Let's add a section on outdoor cameras. What should you not share? Number 1, super personal information. Just don't. No social security numbers, credit card details, or home addresses. AI is great at advice, not keeping secrets. Example, instead of, here's my bank info, can you check my balance? Try, how do I securely check my bank balance online? Number 2, passwords and sensitive logins. Think of me as a librarian, not a lockbox. I can tell you how to make a strong password, but don't hand me yours. Example, how do I create a secure password? Works. Here's my Gmail password, help me out. Doesn't. Number 3, anything you wouldn't want on a billboard. If you wouldn't want your mom or the neighborhood reading it, keep it off the chat. Assume that anything shared could theoretically stick around, even if AI promises otherwise. Number 4, medical diagnosis or legal advice. The big leagues. I can explain how to eat healthier or what makes a good will, but leave the heavy stuff to human professionals. Example, what foods are good for lowering cholesterol? That's a yes. Here's my medical history, diagnose me? That's a no. Tips to maximize AI potential while staying safe. Ask clearly, ask nicely. The clearer you are, the better the response. And hey, being polite never hurts. Iterate if needed. didn't get what you wanted, rephrase or add more detail. AI is good, but not psychic. Check critical info elsewhere. For financial, legal, or medical questions, use AI as a starting point, not the final answer. Stay safe, stay secure, and by following these simple guidelines, you can make your AI experience smooth, safe, and productive. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.